Now let those critters have it. My resources say they hate the acidic acid in the vinegar.
Get out of here. Get out of here, you ugly bastards! Oh my god. Oh, your resources are amazing!
It's Wikipedia. It's working?
Yes, it's working. It's totally working. Oh. You don't think the vinegar will work on the lava too, do you?
Ma'am? We should go.
Oh, there's an officer here.
Now.
Okay, go with him.
Yes, okay. Thank you.
I'm burning up.